All right, so let's add. Write your answer in standard form. We have 2 plus the square root of negative 49 plus 1 minus the square root of negative 9. So remember, one of the rules for um, taking the square root of negative number, we are to take out the negative 1, the square root of negative 1. But also remember that the square root of negative 1 is I. Okay, so let's just look at the square root of negative 49. Take out the square root of negative 1, and then we have our perfect square of the square root of 49. The square root of negative 1 is I. The square root of 49 is 7. Therefore, the square root of negative 49 is 7i. So our first binomial is 2 plus 7i plus, let's look at the square root of negative 9. Take out the negative 1 factor, times it to positive 9. Take the square root of negative 1, that is I. The square root of 9, that is 3. And that multiplies to being 3i. Now we have two binomials that we're adding. We're going to combine the real number part and then the imaginary part. So we have 2 plus 1 plus 7i minus 3i. Because we're adding or subtracting with the imaginary part, our goal is to focus on the 7 and the 3, not the i's. We're not multiplying the i's. We're combining of like terms. So we have here 3 plus 4i as our solution.